fall and fall in love. Rise, fall and fall in love. Shashank Bhavaraju.
Fairy tales and love stories have a small difference. Fairy tales have a sad beginning but a happy ending. And love stories have a happy beginning and the rest is obviously sad. Contest chair, fellow Toastmasters and guests. Most of us at some point in time decide to fall in love. And when this guy with average looks, average education, average salary and a lot of other averages, received a proposal from an extremely pretty, intelligent CA, MBA from IIM Ahmedabad, 6-figure salary per month. I thought of my career ambition. My career ambition was just about to become a reality. I always wanted to be a house husband. And now that was becoming a reality. Yes, of course, I love you too. I chose to fall in love. Little did I know that falling in love is not a matter of choice. And the following 3 incidents made me realize this. Cut, scene 1. Introduction of Sanjeevni to my parents. I went home. Sanjeevni standing right behind me. I rang the bell. My mom came, opened the door. I said, "Dad around?" She called Dad. I was just checking if he was around. Dad, Mom, in front of me. I'm not able to utter a word. Nervous, leg shaking. From nowhere, this intelligent Sanjeevni of mine pushed me aside, fell onto their feet. "Mummy, Papa, bless me." And she held onto their feet. The way she was holding their feet, it felt to me as if she was blackmailing them. "You better bless me or else." And then my mom picked her up, hugged her, kissed her. Within the next 2 minutes, 4 aunties in my building got to know about her. By the end of the 5th minute, my brother who lives in Australia was speaking to her on Skype. And while all this was happening, I had no clue of what was happening. Slowly, I looked towards my dad. My father and I have a lot of things in common. And that day, I got to know one more. Because he too was more lost than I was. Slowly, my dad realized he's the head of the family. How can he look lost? His stand, his stature, posture. What's all this? Dad, you couldn't have done better than this. As in, you couldn't have found me a better girl. Except us. He thought for good hard 2 seconds. Come on in. Instant approval by my parents. My ego is 50% higher than normal. Cut, scene 2. Introduction of Sanjeevni to my friends. All of us have got 2 kinds of friends. Category 1, friends / well-wishers. Of your friends, some 5% of those people. And the other category is friends / competitors. Those people who always keep a track of what you're doing in life. The remaining 95%. So I went to the first category of friends. They said, "Guys, meet Sanjeevni, my new first girlfriend." "Oh, hey, nice, huh? Well done, man. Good. Kind of habit. Natural skill." Then the moment I was waiting for, I went to the other category of friends, looked into the eye and said, "You always wanted to know how much I scored in social studies? Now beat this." And the expression on their faces, I was, yes, yes, yes. And then, hey, congratulations, well done, well done. I turned around and I heard them say, how did he do that? Yes! My ego 150% higher than normal. Cut. Scene 3. Any guesses? Introduction of Shashank to her relatives. Remember where love stories start? Happy. Where do they end? Introduction of Shashank to her relatives. So Sanjeevani said, hey Shashank, you just go, it's flat number 105. I'll come, I have a call to make. I said, okay, not a problem. With ego at 150% higher than normal, combination of Salman Khan, Sanjay Dutt in me. I went. Stood in front of the first auntie. Bring on the appreciation. She looked at me, said, why did you not come yesterday? Come yesterday? No. What no? Aren't you supposed to come every Friday and clean the garbage? It is at that corner. Please go clean it. What? I cracked the case. Wrong house, I know. Hello everyone, meet Shashank. Not even wrong house, eh? Correct house, eh? Okay. And ego all of a sudden minus 200%. I was like this. And then, fortunately, all the attention moved towards her. Everybody started questioning her as to why you want to marry this fellow, why you want to marry this fellow, what is up with him, what is wrong with you, which dog bit you. And I'm standing there, yaar. Give some respect. You want to call me a dog, do that when I'm not there, no? And then Sanjeevani kept on defending my case, kept on telling them as to why we make the best of couples, why she loves me, why we'll live happy ever after. And then, looking at the amount of love she had for me, the amount of trust she had in us, I realized that the factors I had chosen initially to fall in love with her were insignificant in comparison to this love she had for me. And for the first time, I truly fell in love. When the right time comes, you just fall in love. You can never choose to fall in love. Over to you, contestant.